Yes, students. Now we will discuss the questions from ICI material. Come to the ICI material, page number 12.57. Yeah. First, multiple choice questions, guys. Composite cost unit for a hospital is per patient day, per bed. Guys, all others are unit, single unit. Whereas the composite is per patient, per day. So answer is B. Cost of diesel and lubricant is an example of operating cost, fixed charges, semi-variable cost, none of the above. Operating cost. Operating cost. Or next, cost units used in power sector is kilowatt hour. Guys, similar kind of question we would have also dealt in chapter 1. Yeah, but in this chapter, it is mainly focused on only service sector. Only on service sector. Okay. Absolute 10 kilometer is an example of composite unit in power sector. No. Composite unit in transport sector. Yes. Composite unit for bus operation. See, please be careful. It is goods transportation. Bus will not carry goods. Okay. Your luggage it may carry upstairs. Along with that, they will carry you also. Mainly it is for passenger transportation, not goods transportation. Okay. Composite unit for oil and natural gas. So out of the given, which is the most suitable? Composite unit of transport sector. That is, if they had given goods transport, then it would have been more clear. But still, out of the given option, this is what we feel is correct. Depreciation is treated as fixed cost if it is related to efflux of time, that is passage of time. Activity level, no, then it will be variable. Related with machine hours, no, even in that case it will be variable. Efflux of time. Efflux of time means passage of time, guys. Passage of time. Jobs undertaken by IT and ITES organization, that is information technology and information technology enabled service guys. Organization are considered as project, batch work, contract, all of the above. Project. Okay, they also sometimes called contract and all, but the most suitable one is project guys. Oh. In toll road costing, the repetitive cost include repetitive means obviously which is recurring in nature. Maintenance cost, annual operating cost, none of the above, both A and B. Guys, see, listen here. It will be both A and B, but here they have clearly given the word annual. They have given the word annual. So can I consider it? No. If they had mentioned only operating, then maybe I would have gone with both A and B. Okay, because obviously operating is recurring in nature, but they had mentioned annual. Okay, because of which we are ruling it out. So we are going with what? Maintenance cost only, guys. Maintenance cost only. Clear? Yes. Okay. BOT approach means build, operate, transfer. First one only correct. Buy, operate, transfer. Build, operate, trash. Build, own, trash. See how it will be confusing. If you don't know exactly, then they will try to confuse you more. Yeah, sir, everything looks like correct only, sir. Everything stands for BOT only. Correct, huh? Everything stands for BOT only. But you have to pick what you have learned in the syllabus. Huh? Pre-product development activity in insurance company include pre-product tax. Processing of claim, no, obviously that will come only when the policy matures. Okay. Selling of policy, no. Provision of conditions, yes, guys. So pre-product development activities, guys, when we are developing or when we are as an insurance company, when we are coming out with any new product, we'll put all the conditions of terms and conditions. Okay, in this situation, this policy cannot be claimed, or if you have so and so diseases, then this policy cannot be claimed. They will put some conditions. Clear? So is it a pre-product development? Yes, sir. Provision of condition. That last one is policy application processing. That will come only after the product is ready. Only after the product is ready, guys. So C is the answer. Which of the following costing method is not appropriate for costing of educational institution? Guys, please be careful. They have asked what is not appropriate. Batch costing, yes, a group of students can be a batch like BCom, MCom, CA, CA intermediate, like that. Activity based costing, yes, can we use it? Yes, guys, there will be number of activities which will be going on in an educational institution. I had given an example. Clear, sir, admission, collecting the fee, and first of all, you will call. Some information has to be given to you. Okay, what is CA, how to register, what is the passing percentage, all some students are correct. Some students would have already registered and straight away they want coaching. Some students want help in that course. Okay. then admission, fee payment, then you will come to the class, teacher will come and deliver the lecture, then attendance team, okay, they will come and do the, take the attendance, and I do the administration, and test conducting, all these are different activities, guys. Absorption costing, sir, if the school is small, if education institution is small, they cannot afford for activity-based costing. For overhead absorption, can they follow? Traditional? Yes. The last one is process costing. So process costing is the one which is odd one out, guys. Process costing is the one which is odd one out here. Theoretical question we will go through. Coming to practical problems. SLS and guys, one more thing. Theory question, why I am not doing, because in the class we would have discussed in detail all the concepts. Clear, and theory you can go through. Don't completely ignore. Anyway, sir is not doing, so for me also I need not do anything. Clear, because there you need not need my help is what I felt. Clear, and here they would have given refer to paragraph so and so, refer to paragraph so and so, but we would have covered already in our class, guys. It will be a part of concept book. First question. SLS infrastructure built and operates 110-kilometer highway on the basis of build, operate, transfer for a period of 25 years. Okay. A traffic assessment carried out to estimate the traffic flow per day shows the following figures. Different type of vehicles are there. Two-wheeler 44,500, car and SUVs 3,450, bus and light commercial vehicle 1,800, heavy commercial vehicle 816. The following is the estimated cost of the project. Complete project. Please be careful. Everything is in lakhs. Site clearance, land development and filling work, subbase and base courses, bituminous work, part of construction, bridge, flyovers, underpasses, pedestrian subway, footbridge, etc., drainage and protection work, traffic sign, marking and road appurtenance, maintenance, repairing and rehabilitation, environmental management, total project cost. Total project cost, not per month or per annum. What is the total duration of the project? 25 years. For 25 years, their total cost is how much? 1,11,495.25 lakhs. Okay. An estimated cost of 1,120 lakh has to be incurred on administration and toll plaza operation. That is also in total. Okay. On the basis of vehicle specification, weight, size, time saving, etc., the following weights has been assigned to passing vehicle. Weight they have given. That means you have to convert all things to one base, na? Equivalent. Yes, maybe for that. Two-wheelers 5%, car and SUVs 20%, and bus and LCV, that is light commercial vehicle 30%, heavy commercial vehicle 45%. Required. Calculate the total project cost per day of concession period. Whatever they have given is for 25 years, we need to calculate per day. Compute toll fee to be charged for per vehicle of each type. Guys, for each category they have asked. If the company wants to earn a profit of 15% on total cost. Note, concession period is the period for which infrastructure is allowed to be operated and recovers its investment. Guys, that means what is the name of this guy who is doing it? SLS infrastructure are investing their entire money, and once they construct, they will operate this toll for how many years? 25 years. And whatever revenue they collect, they will keep it for 25 years. Maybe after that, they have to give back to the government. Okay, sure. I had told while covering it in the class, one question is there where different type of vehicle would have been given. Clear? Yes, that is what we are solving. Come to the solutions. First, total of all the cost. Total of all the cost, guys. Okay, just you have to present it again. Sir, can I straight away start with total cost? Anyway, it is given in the question, sir. Why to rewrite the question? Okay, please show it, guys. Okay, don't be lazy to do that. And actually administration and toll plaza cost separately they are given below the table. You will take that also. So the total cost is 1,15,615.25 lakhs. Okay. Concession period in days, how much? 25 years into 365 days, which comes to 9125. So cost per day of the concession period is how much, guys? Divide each other. Maybe you will give a notation A, B, this is A by B. Guys, anything difficult in this question? See, as soon as students see this kind of question, assume maybe they may feel difficult with that equivalent calculation. This is easy. At least part of the question you can aram say do without any problem. Maybe second one bit challenging, but still we can do it. Okay, you can hello. Computation of toll fee. Cost to be recovered per day. Cost per day of concession period plus 15% profit on cost. How much is that, guys? 12.67 is the cost plus they want to make 15% profit on the cost itself. Okay, sir. Which comes to 14 lakh 57,050, guys. They have written in rupees, not in lakhs now. Okay, it is in rupees. Please be careful. This is what they want to recover per day. Per day. Please be careful. Okay. Cost per equivalent vehicle. Now, guys, very easy calculation. Very easy calculation. Please listen now. Where is it? Working not. Yeah. The cost per day has to be recovered from the traffic, daily traffic. The each type of vehicle is to be converted into equivalent unit. Let's convert all the types of equivalent to two-wheelers. We will keep that as a base. Starting one. Just so. Now, daily traffic volume is given, guys. Please be careful. They are not given throughout the life. Throughout the life of the project, they are not given per day. Okay, sir. Now let us assign the weight, guys. They only given some hint in the question. 5% and all. Correct? You can observe you. 5%, 20%, 30%, 45%. Take that as a base. To calculate what, sir? Equivalent. Yes. Guys, come on. What is the weight of two-wheelers? 0.05. Let me keep that as equivalent to 1. For car and SUV, guys, observe. What is the weight? 20%. So 20 divided by 0.05 you do. Or simplify. 20 divided by 5. You will get how much? 4. Next for bus and LCV, how much? 30. 30 divided by 5 you do. 6. Then heavy commercial vehicles, how much? 45. Divided by 5. You will get 9. Clear? That means, what that means, guys, one heavy commercial vehicle is equal to 9 two-wheelers. That is what the meaning is. Clear? We have done it for number of questions, guys. Hotel and all we have done similar to that. Yes, sir. Now equivalent two-wheelers multiply 44,500 into 1. Same amount, same number. 3,450 into 4, 13,800. 1,800 into 6, 10,800. 816 into 9, 7,344. So equivalent two-wheelers is how much? 76,444. Any confusion? Yeah, if you want, you can mark star for this. This is the important part here. Hope you understood how we derived it. Okay, keep two-wheeler as a base. Okay, divide all other by that. Divide all other by that, guys. You will get equivalent ratio. Okay, now bring it here. 76,444. What is the cost per equivalent vehicle? 19.06 rupees of 10, no lakhs. 19.06. Now, how much toll we will correct? For two-wheeler, same 19.06 per vehicle. Whereas car, into 4. Into 4 means same ratios we are taking, that's all. Okay, because everything we have converted equivalent to two-wheeler. Now fees we have to charge how much for each category of vehicle we are checking. Okay, into 4, into 6, into 9 for the respective category of vehicles, guys. So this is our final answer. For B, 19.06 per two-wheeler, for car and SUV 76.24, and for bus and LCV 114.36, heavy commercial vehicles 171.54. Clear? Yes. If you find anything interesting, challenging for you, maybe bit tricky for you, please mark it and keep. Because next time you focus only on that. Yeah, sir, should you study this again? Yeah, or the first requirement? Why? You don't know the additions. That is not required. Again, you need not spend too much time on all these things. Okay, whatever feels like interesting to you, mark them and keep so that next time when you are studying, you will focus only on them, guys. Okay, come back to the questions. First one done. Second question. Mr. X owns a bus which runs according to the following schedule. Delhi to Chandigarh and back the same day. Okay, it will go and come back on the same day. Distance covered 250 kilometer one way. That means going and coming 500. Number of days run each month. 8 days bus will go, guys. Okay, it is not going every day. Sitting capacity occupied 90%. Delhi to Agra and back the same day. Okay, this is a different trip. Distance covered 210 kilometer one way. Number of days run each month 10. Sitting capacity occupied 85%. Then Delhi to Jaipur and back the same day. Distance covered 270 kilometer one way. Number of days run each month 6. Seating capacity occupied 100. Guys, everything they will go and come back on the same day. Clear? Yes. Following are the other details. Cost of the bus 12 lakh. Salary of the driver 24,000 per month. Salary of the conductor 21,000 per month. Salary of the part-time accountant 5,000 per month. Accountant will not go in the bus, sir. You know, na? Maybe he will sit in the office. Papa, he is paid less. Insurance of the bus 4,800 per annum. Diesel consumption 4 kilometer per liter at 56 rupees per liter. Okay, mileage is 4 kilometer per liter. Road tax 15,915 per annum. Lubricant oil 10 rupees per 100 kilometer. Permit fee 315 per month. Repairs and maintenance 1,000 per month. Depreciation of the bus 20% per annum. Have they given the cost of the bus? Yes, 12 lakh. Seating capacity of the bus is 50%. Guys, what I can understand from this story is there is only one bus. There is only one bus. And they are going for a different trip in a month. 8 days they are going from Delhi to Chandigarh and coming back. Then 10 days from Delhi to Agra and coming back. Then 6 days they are going to from Delhi to Jaipur and coming. So remaining days maybe rest time. Clear? Yes. Calculate the bus fare to be charged from each passenger to earn a profit of 30% on total takings. Guys, what is total takings? Fare. Fare to be charged. The fares are to be indicated per passenger for each journey. Okay, that is from where to where? Delhi to Chandigarh, Delhi to Agra, and Delhi to Jaipur. Clear? There are totally 3 different journeys. Clear? For each of them, they are asking. Okay. Yes. Number 2, first working note. Delhi to Chandigarh, what is that distance, guys? 250. Trips per day, how much? 2. Oh, sir, going and coming. Guys, both ways people will be there. Okay, Delhi to Chandigarh I am going. Will I carry people? Yes. Then again from Chandigarh to Delhi I am coming. I am carrying people again. It's not like I am coming empty. Please be careful. They have clearly given the occupancy also for each trip. Okay, days per month how much, sir? 8. So kilometers per month how much it will be? 250 into 2. That is per trip. It is 500. That is each way 250, guys. Clear? Please be careful. Then how many days I am going? 8 days. So total kilometer traveled is 4,000. Same way, Delhi to Agra, one way, 210 into 2, both the ways. Into how many days? 10 days, 4,200. Then Delhi to Jaipur, 270 is one way kilometer. Into 2, both the ways. Into 6 number of days. So you will get how much? 3,240. So what is the total distance covered? Not passenger kilometer, only kilometer. Please be careful. We have not yet entered the passenger kilometer calculation. Because the diesel and all depends on this. Oil and lubricants also. Okay. 11,440 kilometers of passenger kilometer. Only kilometers. We have not touched the passengers now. Let us touch them. Okay. Guys, please be careful with this calculation. This is a bit tricky. Okay. Delhi to Chandigarh and back. Guys, what is the capacity? 50. Okay. Two ways. Both ways we are going with the same capacity. Correct? And please be careful, guys. You may assume, sir, while coming, they can come back empty, no, sir? No. If that is the case, they will tell. Clear? And bus companies and all will plan like this only. They will go, while going, they will carry few passengers, and coming back also, they would have got the number of passengers. On an average, how much occupancy also they have told? How much is that? 90% here. Clear? Yes, please consider both the ways. Please consider both the ways. Yes, sir. 50 seats into 2 trips, that is going and coming, into 8 days. So total seats available comes to 800. But in that, how much is the occupancy? Only 90%. So how much seats are occupied? 720. Kilometer per trip, how much, guys? 250. So 720 into 250, 1 lakh 80. Sir, why didn't you multiply into 2? I have already taken care here. Please be careful. Hope you guys are getting it. Clear? Yes, sir. Next, Delhi to Agra and back. First calculate what is the total seats available. 50 seats into 2. That is each way. Into how many days? 10 days. 1000 you will get. What is the occupancy? 85%. So how many seats would be occupied? Totally 850. So what is the distance per trip? That is each way 210. Yes, sir. So it comes to 1,78,500 if you multiply those. Then the last one, Delhi to Jaipur and back. Guys, please be careful. And back, and back, and back. You also better mention it. Don't simply write only Delhi to Jaipur, only Delhi to Agra. Then you will be wrong because you have to take the reverse also. Okay, sir. Here, 50 seats, 2 ways and 6 days, which comes to seat availability 600. 100% occupancy, which comes to 600 seats occupied. And each way, what is the kilometer? 270, which comes to 1,62,000. So, what is the total passenger kilometer? 5,20,500. 5,20,500. Did you guys get it? Yes. See, alternatively, you can do this also. Sir, here already total kilometer traveled is available, sir. Correct? Total kilometer traveled is available. So, can I multiply it with, for example, how much you will get? 50 seats. 50 seats, 90% occupancy, which comes to 45. Okay, multiply with 45. 1,85,000. Same way. 50 seats into 85% comes to 40. Don't round up this and all. Okay. 4,200 into 42.5. 1,78,500. Then the last one. 50 is the seats. Occupancy is 100. So straight away take 50. 1,62,000. Got it? I would suggest this only, guys. Whatever I just now explained. Whatever I just now explained, what you do is instead of doing two working note, here only you can add one or two more columns. Okay, maybe two columns. One is seating capacity is how much? 50. Occupancy percentage. Multiply both with 4,000. Here, I repeat, it will be like this. 4,000 into 56 into occupancy percentage. Into occupancy percentage. That would be more better and less time consuming also. Less time consuming also. Hope you guys got it. Already we have total kilometer travel. Multiply that with what? Seats available into occupancy percentage. You will get straight away. What is the total passenger kilometer? Clear? Let me mention for your reference. Okay, I will do like this. Okay, 50, 50, 50 into 90% occupancy, here 85% occupancy, here 100% occupancy. You will get the numbers whatever you have got there. You will get the numbers whatever you have got there, guys. This is the better way, is what I suggest. Oh, sure. We'll move forward. Monthly operating cost statement. Diesel. Guys, what is the total kilometer travel? 11,440. Each liter of diesel will give us how much mileage? 4 kilometer. So totally how many liters of diesel we require? 11,440 divided by 4. 2,860. Into for each liter, what's the cost? 56 rupees. Variable. Then lubricant oil is, they have told 10 rupees for 100 kilometers. So divide it. And so you can do like this, 10 divided by 100, you will get per kilometer how much? Multiply with 11,440. I repeat, 10 rupees is for 100 kilometers. Okay, divide each other into 11,440. You will get total. Both are considered as running costs. Please be careful. For transportation, you have to present like this, very similar to machine hour rate calculation. I had already told you. And one extra thing which will come here is maintenance cost. I had spoke about the format. Please be careful. Maintenance cost, repairs and maintenance, 1000. Why did they draw the line here? Here line is not required, guys. Keep it open. Keep it open. Standing charges. Salary to driver, salary to conductor, salary of part-time accountant, insurance is given per annum. Please divide it because everything we are doing per month. Insurance and road tax is given per annum. Please be careful. Divide it by 12. Permit fee, depreciation, guys. 12 lakh is the cost. Depreciation rate is 20% per annum. Again, divide that also by 12. Because if you do only this, you will get depreciation per annum. Depreciation per annum. Okay, so total you got, add up all three. Add up all three. You will get 2,34,345.25. Now, passenger tax. Passenger tax. Sir, what is it? Just a minute. Let me read it. Yeah. Passenger tax is 20% of total tax takings. Guys, sir, is there anything called passenger tax? No, actually, similar to GST. They might be talking because now on service also GST only is applicable, but they are using a different name, 20%. Calculate the bus fare to be charged from each passenger to earn a profit of 30% on total takings. Now, totally we have to take 20 plus 30, 50. Clear? Yes. On takings, please be careful. The fares are to be indicated per passenger for each of the journey. Okay, sir. We will do it. Yes, guys. We are up to this point. We have got everything. Total cost calculation. Yes, sir. Now coming to let the total takings be X. Let the total takings be X because we don't know the X. That is total takings. Yes, sir. X total cost per month before passenger tax plus 20% on X plus profit 30% on X. Okay, so both put together, it would be how much? 50% of X. So X is equal to cost plus this two, guys. That is passenger tax plus profit. So let me take this 0.5x to the other side. X minus 0.5x will be 0.5x. I have already told you x is equal to what? 1x. So 1x minus 0.5x will be 0.5x. Yes, so you will get x now. 0.5x is equal to 2,34,345.25. Now bring 0.5 to the other side. It will be a denominator. Divide. So x is equal to 2,34,345.25 divided by 0.5. You will get x is equal to 4,68,690. Now calculate this two, guys. Passenger tax 20% of it, profit is 30% of it. Bring it. Bring it now to the main calculation. Please be careful, even tax will be a part of cost only for you. Yes, sir. 93,738.10 plus you will get profit, you will get the total takings. And guys, here, sir, should we bother about can we claim credit for this and all? No. For service tax, for service costing, don't worry about, sir, can I claim the credit of that and all? In material chapter, we had discussed about it. Clear? Yes, sir. But here not required. Clear? Rarely they may give any tax like this. So please be careful. You need to take it accordingly. Sometimes they may give it on cost. Straight away apply it on cost. If it is given on the takings, then we have to do some reverse calculations. Yes, sir. Now, this is what they are asked. Calculation of rate per passenger kilometer and fares to be charged for different routes. Rate per passenger kilometer. Total takings per month divided by total passenger kilometer per month. Guys, what is the total takings? 4,68,690.5. What is the total passenger kilometer? 5,20,500 passenger kilometers. Please be careful. How much? 90 paisa. Guys, if one passenger get into my bus and ask a ticket for 1 kilometer, how much will I charge for him? 90 paisa. No one. Here they are not allowing 1 kilometer and all full up and down. No intermediate destination point also. Straight away, if you board the bus in Delhi, you have to get down either in Agra, Jaipur, or in one more place, Chandigarh. There also, if you board the bus from Chandigarh, Agra, or Jaipur, you have to get down where? In Delhi only. Clear? Sir, in between I want to get down. Maybe bus will not entertain. Telling super fast, express. Even if you by chance get down also, same amount. Same amount. That is what you have to assume. Clear? Because all the doubt will come. Not now in the exam. What if I get down in between? Okay, nanigal money hatra ittu. So I got down there. Okay, I requested the conductor, bus driver, sir, please drop me here only. Okay, it doesn't matter. Revenue will remain same, guys. Delhi to Chandigarh, how much? 0.90 into distances 250 kilometer, 225 rupees. Now I am coming from Chandigarh to Delhi. How much they will charge? Huh? Same. Delhi to Agra, 0.9 into what is the distance? 210, 189. Delhi to Jaipur, 0.90 into 270. You will get 243. I guess they have asked only onward. They have not asked return. Have they asked? Even if they ask return, it is same to same amount, guys. Delhi to Chandigarh, Delhi to Agra, Delhi to Jaipur. Only onward they have asked. Only onward they have asked. Even if by chance if they ask return also, same to same amount. Because distance is same. Because the distance is same. Okay, sure. We'll move to the next question. Question number 3, guys. A company is considering 3 alternate proposals for conveyance facilities for its sales personnel who has to do considerable traveling, approximately 20,000 kilometers every year. The proposals are as follows. Purchase and maintain its own fleet of cars. The average cost of the car is 6 lakh. Means company itself can purchase the car, the cost is 6 lakh. Allow the executive use his own car and reimburse expenses at the rate of 10 rupees per kilometer and also pay the insurance cost. Okay, so reimbursement of the transportation conveyance cost, which is 10 rupees per kilometer, along with insurance cost. Insurance cost of what? Vehicle. Okay, not him. Hire cars from an agency at a 1,80,000 per year per car. The company will have to bear cost of petrol, taxes, and tires. Okay. 1,80,000 is like rental charges, plus they have to pay petrol, tax, and tire cost. Okay. The following further details are available. Petrol 6 rupees per kilometer. Oh. Chalo. I don't know which car. Car is 6 lakh. Petrol consumption also is very less. No, tire 0.12 per kilometer. Taxes 800 per car per annum. Repairs and maintenance 20 paisa per kilometer. Insurance 1,200 per car per annum. Life of the car 5 years with an annual mileage of 20,000 kilometers. Oh. Resale value 80,000 at the end of 5th year. Work out the relative cost of 3 proposals and rank them. Which is better? Which is better? Okay, guys. Sure. Come to the solutions. Yeah. Calculation of relative cost of 3 proposals and their ranking. One by one we will go better. Okay, use of company's own car per kilometer. What is the cost? What is the cost? Insurance. Insurance, should they bear? Guys, if they own the car, should they take care of insurance and all? Obviously. Insurance, tax, depreciation, everything will come for this. Okay. Yes. How much, sir? Insurance 6 paisa per kilometer. Taxes 4 paisa per kilometer. Depreciation 6 lakh minus scrap value they have told 80,000 divided by 5 years. You will get per annum how much? 1,04,000 divided by 20,000 kilometers. Per kilometer how much? 5.20. Okay. No reimbursement here because we own the car. Petrol how much? Per kilometer 6 rupees. Repairs and maintenance 20 paisa. And tire 12 paisa. Sir, should we take care of all this? Yes, if you own the car, you have to take care of everything. Yes. What is the cost per kilometer? 11.62. How many kilometers totally? 20,000. Multiply. 11.62 into 20,000 kilometers. 2,32,400. So if company purchases the car for them for a year, what is the cost on an average? 2,32,400. Now, if they use one car per kilometer, that is the employees. Okay, use of one car here is the employee own the car and they reimburse the expenses. They reimburse the expenses, guys. How much they are reimbursing? 10 rupees per kilometer. 10 rupees per kilometer plus insurance also they will take care. Clearly mentioned, insurance also they will take care. See, normally if you are the owner, you will take care of insurance. But here maybe the company has promised the employee, we will take care of insurance. We will take care of insurance. Only this will come. Guys, taxes to depreciation and all, employee will take care. We have not promised him. Then petrol, repairs and maintenance, nothing will come. Okay, what is the cost per kilometer? 10.06 into 20,000 kilometers. 2 lakh 1,200. Comparatively better. Let us do the last one also. Used of hired car. How much reimbursement we are giving? How much reimbursement we are giving, guys? 1,80,000. That is per a month. Divided by how many kilometers in a month? 20,000. So it comes to how much? 9 rupees. Then no insurance. But taxes they told clearly. They have mentioned, guys, what all we are taking care. Tax we are taking care. Yes, no depreciation. Then petrol are they taking care? Yes, along with tire. Along with tire. Please be careful. If I higher charges plus taxes plus petrol plus tire. Ashte. Okay, which comes to 15.16 into 20,000 comes to 3,03,200. From company's point of view, which is the cheapest or cheaper? Okay, allow the employee to use his own car and reimburse the expenses. That is the best one. Second one is own your own car. The third one is hire it. The second alternative, that is use of own car by the executive and reimbursement of expenses by the company, is the best alternative from the company's point of view, guys. Clear? Yes. And one more thing, see, for the previous answer, sir, here you are not presented per kilometer columns, per passenger kilometer. Here it was not required because they didn't ask us to calculate that. Our main calculation was what, guys? This one. Clear? This was more or less like a working for us. Correct? Yes. See, if this was the main working, then I would have suggested maintain one column for per passenger kilometer also. Per passenger kilometer also, like how we have done in the class and all. I hope you guys now got it. Clear? Yes, here also you can do it, nothing wrong, but you will take little extra time. Clear? Better for this kind of question you can avoid. For this kind of question you can avoid this because lot of other calculations are there. Oh, third one then. See, whenever you are in a dilemma or confusion, should I do that or not? Should I add this column or not? Do it. Do it. Nothing to lose. Maybe some extra time you will take. That's okay. Because you should also not feel that, oh, yo, what if they don't give marks? Oh, yo, I have done only this much. What if that happens? If this happens? You should be peaceful, na? Okay, maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes extra you may take. That's okay. Clear? Huh? Yes, because we also don't know exactly how the evaluator will receive the answer. Clear? For him also suggested answers would be given. How it will be given? Same way he will follow. Clear? What if by chance, if that in suggested answer is something extra is given? One extra column is given. That should not leave us in a panic mode. Clear? Or in a confusion stage. Better do it. Clear? In the class also I would have told, add this also for safety, add that also for safety, give note for safety and that. Because from a student's point of view, you should always be safer. Clear? You should not take risk. You already taken risk in life by doing CA. Huh? Again in exam hall, don't take it. Next, question number 4. From the following data pertaining to the year 22-23, prepare a cost statement showing the cost of electricity generated per kilowatt hour by Chambal Thermal Power Station. Total units generated 10 lakh kilowatt hour. Operating labor, repairs and maintenance, lubricants, spares and stores, plant supervision, administrative overheads. Okay. 5 kilowatt hour of electricity generated per kg of coal consumed at 4.25 per kg. Depreciation charges 5% on capital cost of 2 crore. Very similar question you have solved in the class. Clear? Yes. Sure. Come to the solution. Yes, come to the solution. Cost statement of Chambal Thermal Power Station. Total units generated is 10 lakh kilowatt hour. Fixed cost. Sir, here are we required to give a breakup between fixed and variable? Yes. I told you about this while we were solving the question in the class also. Yes, sir. Now, what all cost will not vary with how many units of electricity you are generating? Take that as fixed. Sir, it will vary, sir. Then take it as variable. Plant supervision, administrative overhead, depreciation. Depreciation here, SLM is followed. 2 crore into 5%, guys. No scrap value. Assume there is no scrap value straight away. Total fixed cost. Then coming to variable cost. Variable cost, operating labor, lubricants, spares and stores, repairs and maintenance. Repairs and maintenance can be taken anywhere, either variable or fixed, but better give a note for it. Now they are taken is here it as variable. Give a note. Repairs and maintenance is considered to be variable. Okay, coal cost, guys. What is the total kilowatt hour generated? 10 lakh divided by 5. So, what is the total kg of coal consumption, guys? 10 lakh divided by 5 into 4 rupees is the coal cost per kg. You'll get 8 lakh 50. Take it to the main answer. Take it to the main answer. And guys, whatever is the total fixed cost and variable cost, show per kilowatt hour also how much is. So should we show it individually? Individually not required. Total only you can show. So 33 lakh divided by 10 lakh, 3.30. Even variable, 32 lakh 50,000 divided by 10 lakh, it comes to 3.25. So in total also we are showing. This is the better way of presentation. So here for variable, can I show individually also? That is your choice. But for fixed, not required. For fixed, for sure, not required. Always go with total. Variable, you can do total straight away. That is total variable cost divided by total units. Or sir, can I present for each category also? Yes, because each category will vary. Na? So that is why I can show each type of variable expenses. If not, this way also is fine. This way also is fine. Clear up? Yes. So these are our practical questions. Now come to the case scenario. Case scenario question. A LMB Private Limited operates a car rental service in Delhi NCR. NCR means National Capital Region. National Capital Region or territory we call it as. It provides its service to the offices of Noida, Gurugram and Faridabad. At present, it operates CNG fueled cars, but it is also considering to upgrade this into electric vehicle. The following details related with the owning of CNG and EV propelled cars are as tabulated below. I had gone to Delhi once to take class. Okay, just as I saw Delhi, I remembered. Okay, there any season it will be a problem. Heavy cool, heavy smoke. One or the other problem will be there. Clear? Papa, there the people's health is getting upset because of the smoke. Clear? Air pollution. You know, na? Air pollution is the biggest challenge there. The city, and it is our national capital. Clear? And there I also experienced earthquake. Okay, there was a trauma which happened in Nepal. Okay, I used to take class there in Christ University, Delhi. Okay, they have a branch there in Ghaziabad. Okay, actually Ghaziabad is a part of Uttar Pradesh, but they claim it as a part of Delhi. They claim it as part of Delhi. I experienced, I was almost there for 1 month. Okay, every day I used to call my wife. Okay, she was like, come safely, come quickly, come quickly. And I had gone there and I had started the class. So, no chance that I will miss that and I will run off by leaving it in between us. Okay, all the different experiences I used to see. Okay, and night, every people, even, and that too, it was during Diwali time. Okay, you have to wear mask and go outside. Okay, if not, it will definitely affect your lunch. That is how the situation will be. Sure. And there is no petrol diesel car allowed. Only CNG car or electric cars. No petrol or diesel car in Delhi. And they brought something called as even and odd numbers also. Okay, to avoid all this pollutions, they brought the concept of odd and even. Okay, means odd car has to go 1 day out and even car has to go 1 day out. It's like that. It was like that to avoid the pollution, traffic, and all. Yeah, come back. CNG and EV are the two options. Car purchase price 9 lakh 20 and 15 lakh 20. EV car will be more costlier, guys. Government subsidy on purchase of car 1 lakh 50,000. Life of the car 15 years, 10 years. Residual value 95,000, 1 lakh 70,000. Mileage 20 km per kg and 240 km per charge. Electricity consumption per full charge 30 kilowatt hour. CNG cost per kg 60. Power cost per kilowatt hour 7.60. Annual maintenance cost 8,000, 5,200. Annual insurance cost 7,600, 14,600. Tire replacement cost in every 5 years 16,000, 16,000. Battery replacement cost in every 8 years 12,000, 5 lakh, 40,000. Apart from the above, the following are the additional information. Average distance covered by a car in a month 1,500 kilometers. Driver salary 20,000 per month. Garage rent per car 4,500 per month. Share of office and administrative cost per car. Maybe that is a common overhead, but they have already told how much is related to the car. They have already done the apportionment. 1,500 per month. You have been approached by the management of ALMB Private Limited for consultation on the two options of operating the cab service. The expected questions that may be asked by the management are as follows. You should be prepared for all these questions to answers, like how you go for an interview. What would be the depreciable value of EV car? Okay, very simple, easiest question. What would be the monthly cost of electricity for EV car? What would be the total cost to be incurred for replacement of tires for EV car? Then calculate the operating cost of vehicle per month per car for CNG options. Calculate the operating cost of vehicle per month per car for EV options. Guys, only these two are bit lengthy. Rest all is tuck calculation. Remaining three. Okay, check. Yes, they have asked only depreciable value of which car? EV car. So how much is that? 12 lakh. How did you get it, sir? 15 lakh 20 is the actual cost. Government is giving a subsidy of 1 lakh 50 and residual value is 170. So should we reduce this also? Yes, I'm not paying out of my pocket. So obviously we have to reduce it. So what is the depreciable value? 12 lakh. I will depreciate it over 10 years. They have done depreciation calculation and all, but for first question, answer is only 12 lakh. Answer would be D there. Answer would be D there. 12 lakh. Oh. They've also done depreciation per month calculation, that is for future calculation. We have to calculate the operating cost per month. Let us see. Coming to first EV, we will finish. 12 lakh is the depreciable amount divided by 10 years. You will get per annum how much? 1 lakh 20. So per month divided by 12, 10,000. Coming to CNG cost, no subsidy. 9 lakh 20,000. Residual value 95,000. So depreciable amount is 8 lakh 25. Useful life is 15 years. So 8 lakh 25,000 divided by 15 years will give you annual depreciation of 55,000 divided by 12. Per month it is 4,583.33. Okay. This is not for first calculation, guys. This will be helpful for future calculation. Next, they have asked fuel or electricity consumption cost per month. For which car they have asked? EV car. Oh, first let us do that only. Average distance covered in a month is 1,500. Mileage is how much? 240 kilometers for each charge. For each charge. So how many charge we have to do? 6.25. Sir, here decimal is okay na? Yes, because one of the charts I want only partially. Can I do it? Yes, sir. 6.25. Please take as it is. Then electricity consumption is how much totally? For each charge it is 30. So 6.25 into 30. You'll get 187.5 kilowatt hour. So what is the power cost? 7.60 multiply this. You'll get 1,420. 1,425. That is the answer. That is the answer. Then we will do for CNG also, which will help our future calculation. Average distance covered will be same. Mileage is how much, guys? 20 rupees per kg. Per kg. First of all, what is CNG? Compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. Okay, mileage is 20. So that means how much kg we require totally? 1,500 divided by 20. We require how much kgs of CNG? 75 kg. Now what is the cost per kg? 60. Multiply both. 75 into 60. 4,500. 4,500 plus. Okay, so next coming to amortized cost of tire replacement. They have asked for what, guys? They have asked total replacement cost. Huh? Replacement cost of tire for which car? EV car. Replacement cost of tire. Okay, let us do it. First for EV. Everything they're asking for EV only. They're partial. Life of the vehicle, 10 years. Replacement interval is what? 5 years. Now, how many times you will replace? Tire. Only one time. Sir, how, sir? Simple, guys. Now, when I take only one new tire will be there. Will I exchange then only? No. At the end of 5th year. Clear? Then, again at the end of 10th year, I have to replace. But car only has to be replaced now. Why? The life of the car has come to the end. Clear? Only once. Clear? Only once. Now, sir, I am putting the car for maybe scrap or sale. Will I replace and give it? No, no. Clear? So straight away take. Especially they have actually given I guess scrap value for car, correct? Residual value. Okay, you are not even selling, you are putting it for almost scrap. So that means you will not replace the tire at the end, guys. So only one time. What is the cost? 16,000. That is your answer. That is your answer. Okay, total replacement cost is 16,000. Per year, how much, guys? Divided by A, how much? 10 years. 16,000 divided by 10 years, 1,600. Per month, how much, guys? 133.33. Everything we have to do per month. Oh, coming to CNG car, total life is 15 years. Replacement cycle is 5 years once. So how many times I will replace? 2 times. At the end of 5th year once, at the end of 10th year once. At the end of 15th year, not required. Okay, life of the car itself has come to an end, guys. So only 2 times. Per time, what is the cost? 16,000. So 16,000 into 2, 32,000. That is for lifelong. Per year, how much? 32,000 divided by 15 years. You will get 2,133.33. That is per year. Divided by 12. 177.7 millimeters. Clear? All these are extra calculation for further tax. Okay. What is the fourth one? Requirement. What is the requirement? Quickly. Okay, this two. Last, they are asking cost of operating for both. Okay, so let us do it. Amortized cost of battery replacement. This is again a working, guys. Okay, amortized cost of battery replacement. Let me first do it for EV car. What is the life of the car? 10 years. Replacement interval? 8 years. So that means I will do only once. Only once, guys, at the end of 8th year. So what is the cost? 5 lakh 40. So total replacement cost also 5 lakh 40. Divided by life 10 years. 54,000 per year you will get. So divided by 12, you will get per month 4,500. Coming to CNG. CNG. Life is 15 years, replacement interval is 8 years. So only one time we will do it. At the end of 8th year, then second will come at the end of 16th year. By then already over. Life itself has come to an end. Okay, so only one time. What is the cost? 12,000. So 12,000 is for 15 years. Divide. How much per year? 800. Per month divided by 12. 66.67. Okay. We have done almost all the calculation. Just to bring the values here. Running cost is how much, guys? 4,500, 1,425. Our first calculation. Here is running cost, which is nothing but either the power cost or the CNG cost. Okay, sir. Amortized cost of battery and other things will come under maintenance. Okay. Annual maintenance cost. Annual cost is given in the question divided by 12. Annual insurance cost also is given per annum divided by 12. You will get per month per month. Then amortized cost of tire and battery we have done guys. Calculation. Just bring them here. Just bring them here. Sir, will it come under maintenance? Yes. Even tire replacement, battery replacement will come under maintenance. Fixed cost. Depreciation we have done already. The calculation. Yes. 4,583.33 and 10,000. Bring it to the main calculation. Everything is done per month. Please be careful. If something is given per annum and I'll convert it. Driver salary, garage rent, share of office and administration cost. Okay, so you will get now running cost, maintenance cost, fixed cost. All put together total is 36,627.78 for CNG. For CNG. Yes, sir. For EV it is 43,708.33. Clear. Actually, government should have supported more with respect to EV conversion because of pollution and moreover, more than pollution, our dependency on foreign countries. On petrol, diesel, there is a high dependency on foreign countries. So if I how to eliminate it, then promote more and more of EV or ethanol. They're trying to bring something called as ethanol also, which is produced through sugar cane. Yes, sir. Now EV, how government would have supported is give some benefits to the people. Give some benefits to the people. They had it, but they have ended that term. That is, if you have taken any loan to purchase EV vehicle, whatever interest you pay, you would have claimed it as a deduction in deduction chapter under income tax. Clear, but the term has ended already. Now, if I purchase EV car, then I am not eligible. I am not eligible for that deduction class. So government, what I feel is government should have extended because people have not still moved from petrol diesel to EV. You started all and already ended the period. Many of the people are not even aware of it. Clear? Maybe till 2030 or somewhere they would have extended it is what I feel. Sure. Fine. We are done with the discussion of ICI questions.